In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore a previous version of content in HubSpot. If you've ever updated a page, blog post, or email, and then realized something important was removed, changed, or broken, don't worry. HubSpot keeps a full version history so you can quickly roll back to an earlier version. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from accessing version history to restoring and publishing the correct version. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the content you want to restore. Inside your HubSpot account, go to the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. From there, choose Website, and then select Website Pages if you're restoring a website page. If you're working with a landing page, blog post, or marketing email, simply navigate to that specific content type instead. The process is nearly identical across all content tools in HubSpot. Once you're inside Website Pages, find the page you want to restore. You can use the search bar if you have a lot of pages. Click on the name of the page to open it in the editor. Make sure you're opening the correct page before continuing, especially if you have similar page names. Now that the page is open, we're going to access the version history. At the top of the editor, look for the View option in the top bar. Click on View, and from the drop-down menu, select Version History. This is where HubSpot stores all previously saved versions of your content. Every time changes are made and saved, HubSpot automatically creates a revision, so you never truly lose previous work. After clicking Version History, a panel will appear showing a list of saved versions. These are organized by date and time, so you can clearly see when each change was made. This is extremely helpful if you know roughly when the page was still working correctly. Next, you'll want to preview older versions. In the versions list, click on any version you'd like to review. HubSpot will load a full snapshot of how that page looked at that exact moment in time. This includes layout, text, images, modules, everything. Take your time here and carefully review the content. You can compare it mentally with your current version to see what changed. If you're unsure which version you need, you can click through multiple revisions and preview each one. This makes it easy to identify the exact version you want to restore without guessing. Once you've found the correct version, it's time to restore it. On the version preview screen, click the button that says Restore this version. HubSpot will immediately replace your current content in the editor with the selected older version. But here's the important part. HubSpot does not delete your newer version. Instead, it saves the restored version as a brand new revision. That means you still have access to everything, and you can always switch again if needed. Nothing is permanently lost. After restoring, you'll be brought back into the editor with that previous version now active. Before publishing, quickly review the content one more time to make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. Check formatting, links, images, and modules just to be safe. Finally, once you're confident everything is correct, click Publish in the top right corner. This will push the restored version live on your website. If it's a blog post or email, follow the standard publish or update process for that content type. And that's it. You've successfully restored a previous version of your content in HubSpot. As you can see, the built-in version history feature makes it incredibly easy to recover from mistakes, test changes safely, and maintain control over your content updates. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more HubSpot tips, tutorials, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.